Ever wonder why you react to money the way you do? Maybe you panic every time your bank account dips or feel guilty about spending on yourself. These are not just random habits, they are rooted in your childhood experiences. The way we handle money as adults often mirrors what we learned as kids, even if we don't realize it. Think about it. If you grew up watching your parents stress over every bill, you might now feel uneasy even when you are financially secure. Take Sarah, for example. She always saw her parents arguing over money, worried about losing their home. Now, as an adult with a stable income, Sarah finds herself constantly anxious about spending, even on essentials. Her childhood taught her that money equals stress, and that belief sticks with her. As kids, we absorb the money behaviors and attitudes of the adults around us. If your family struggled, you might view money as something scarce or difficult to get. On the other hand, if money was never discussed, you may have grown up unaware of how to manage it. These early experiences shape the financial habits that follow us into adulthood, whether we realize it or not. But here is the good news: you can change these habits. First, reflect on your early money memories. What messages did you hear about wealth, savings, or debts? Identifying these patterns is the first step to breaking free from them. Next, challenge those beliefs. If you grew up thinking money is always scarce, start by practicing gratitude for what you have now. Build a new habit by setting small, achievable financial goals, like saving just a little more each week. Over time, this rewires your brain to think differently about money. Finally, educate yourself. The more you learn about personal finance, the more empowered you will feel. Breaking the cycle of childhood money habits takes time, but with self awareness and a plan, you can create a healthier relationship with money that lasts a lifetime. Friends, your past might shape your money mindset, but it doesn't have to define your financial future. Thank you for watching.